Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we need to label the image for our training. Okay, so this is the tool. Okay, so the tool we're going to use is label image. So I will pass you guys this tool. So let's open the tool now. So this is the interface for the tool. So the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure this one is YOLO. Okay, we need to make sure this one is YOLO. Then we click on open directory. So this open directory, we need to go where is our images. So the images I will send you to. Okay, so in my case my images is in test, so I just select it. Okay, so this is the image. So we can zoom in and zoom out the images, so to let us to take a look on the picture more clearly. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to draw the bounding box. Okay, so there is three things we need to label. One is loads, second is people, and also the third one is machine. Load is this one. So how we draw is we right click, either we right click on create a box, or you press on hotkey W also can, click on it. Then let's say I want to draw a object over here, this one, the loads. Okay, so I just draw a box here, then I select what is this. So this is loads. I just click OK, and here will be appear something. We need to make sure that the object is best fit the bounding box. Sorry, the bounding box need to best fit to the object. So second, let's say we want to label people, right? Okay, this one machine first. So same things. Right click, create a bounding box. Then I draw machine over here. Then I select machine. Okay. So as you can see, here is a people over here. So in this case, we can override it. So what we need to do is W. We click on W. Then we draw a bounding box over here. Then this one is people. Okay, so we just override it. The box can be override. Same things over here. There is a people over here. This is people. This one also is a people. This also is a people. This also is a people. Then over here also is a people. And here also is a people. Okay, yeah, here also. So we label it as a people. Here also we have two people, right? Yeah, we have two people. So we need to make sure you label a correct object. Okay, don't label those objects that you're not clear with. If not, later the models will bias. Okay, it will detect out a wrong thing. So these are people. So here also is a people. So here also is a people. Okay, so over here also is a people. Here also is a people. Okay, any other thing else? No. Okay, so we done label for first image. So next one, we need to go to next image. What we can do is we just go to next image. So when we go to next image, it will say you have unsaved changes. Proceed anyway? No. So what we need to do is we need to go to save first. So this save is they are asking where to save the files. Okay, the label file. So please select back the previous one. the same directory with your images. Okay, so I just save it, then go to next images. Okay, so this is a new images, previous one, next one. So over here we do the same thing. So this is the loops. Yeah, so this is the loops. Then same thing, this is a people. Then yeah, over here this is a people. Then what else? So nothing over here. So let's check over here. Okay, here is one people. Okay, then here also. Then what else? Yeah, this is a people. Here, this is a people. Here also. Then where else? So over here, this is a people. Then over here also is a people. Here also is a people. Where else? Here. Here is a people. Here also. Here also. Then here, yeah, here also the people. And yeah, here also the people. Okay, so we done labeling. So when we go to next one, okay, so this one, if you want to do a shortcut, we can go for change save directory. Okay, save change directory, we can go to the folder with the images. Okay, in my case it's test, so I select it. Okay, so over here, next image, save. No, we click on save first. Save. Okay, that's it. So there is a hotkey. Okay, A is you go to previous one, D is you go to next one. Okay, so as you can see, this one, the images is captured based on frame. Okay, so if you're not sure whether that is a people or not, right? Okay, so you see the first one over here is people, but I mislabeled. The next one we can see that this is a people as it move out, so we can ensure that this is people. So we go back over here, we check. Okay, we draw a bounding box back over here. This is a people. Okay, then also here is the people. Okay, then where else? Okay, yeah, that's it. Two people over here. So next one, save. Yeah, save it. Let me check, is there any option to auto save? Okay, yeah, I think there is no option to, yeah, auto save. So please remember this, we can take on auto save, then it will save automatically. Okay, so we done label the first image, second image. So now let's start with third image. Okay, so hotkey is W. Select W. Then this is machine. These are people. So I cannot see it. People. Here also is a people. Here also. Here also is a people. Then Here also is a people. Here also, let me zoom in, watch it clearer. People, and over here, people. So please make a bounding box for each people, okay? You don't make a large bounding box and include with two people. One people with one bounding box, okay? Then over here also is a people. Here also. Then yeah, here also. Then this one is a loop. So we label it. It's a loop. And then anything we missed, yeah, here. So here's a people, here's a people, we need to label it. But then it's a people. So if you mislabel it, so you just click on this box, then you click delete. That's it. Okay? If you mislabel something. And after label, you still can adjust the box. Okay? Then here is people also. Yeah. Then where else? Yeah, here is people. There's 3 people here. 1, 2, and 3. Then where else? Here is also the people. Here also is a people. Then where else? Yeah. So again, we done label the third image. So you no need to do anything, as we already take for autosave. We just click on D, then it will jump to next image. So in this way, we need to label all the images. So please make sure that all the people over here is labeled, and then the loads is labeled, and then the bounding box must best fit, okay, must best fit to the object, okay. Don't make it too big, don't make it too small, the bounding box. So if the images there is nothing inside, so you can skip the image, okay. If nothing inside, you can skip the image. Like let's say this image is nothing, so you just directly jump to next one. Okay, there is another case, okay. So this one, the red one, this one is loads. So with this load, we need to make the box like this. Okay, we need to make the loads like this. So you please don't just label this thing, but we need to label whole thing. Okay, then over here also we do the same thing, like people. Okay, like people. Then here also is a people. Here also is a people. So all the stuff also is a paper. So in this way, you see, right, this is a machine over here. This is the machine to put the cement. Okay, with this one, you also need to label it as a machine. Even though this is halfway, it's only half is covered, but we still need to label it. So as long as it is machine, then we put it. But this one, yeah, this one we also can label it as a machine, like this. Okay, so yeah, that's all from me. So if you have any problem, please PM me. Okay, so yeah, this one, yeah. So when we close these two, you no need to do anything. This one, it will save automatically. We close it. So if we go back to the directory just now, the test folder, it will generate a text file. When we open the text file, it will have some data is labeled, and this is the one what we need for deep learning. Okay, it will generate a text file. Okay, yeah, that's all from me. Anything, feel free to PM me. Thank you.